Clear on the left, keep coming back. Hold it right there.
The automated weight graders analyze each onion, diverting them into separate channels with incredible precision, ensuring optimal distribution.
The flow rate on line 3 is holding steady.
And the purity levels are exactly where we need them for the next cycle.
The onions now enter the first stage of the multi-stage drying tunnel, where high-velocity hot air removes the initial moisture.
Airflow is stable. Check the moisture gradient on the tablet.
Readings look optimal. We are maintaining uniformity.
Look at the data stream from sensor 4. The evaporation rate is steady.
Good. Phase 1 is proceeding perfectly.
Heaters 3 through 6 are fully engaged now. Thermal imagery confirms the even distribution. It looks good.
The automated laser system scans each slice in real time, providing instant moisture analysis to ensure precise quality control.
Heat signature is stabilizing right on target.
Good. The conveyor speed is constant.
The alignment looks good here, but check the humidity levels on panel 3.
It seems a little high. I'll adjust the vents.
The mechanical spreaders ensure even distribution, gently separating the onion slices to prevent clumping before the next stage of processing.
Moisture content is dropping slightly faster on the right side.
Adjusting the flow now. We want uniform drying.
The differential pressure looks stable.
Readings match. Dampers are holding steady at 45 degrees.
Check the consistency reading on the far left screen.
Looks good, well within the threshold. The core temperature is stable at 180. Good, the texture profile is within tolerance.
I've logged the latest metrics here. The balance is holding steady.
Excellent, the system is performing optimally.
Keep an eye on the consistency here. Looks stable now. We've minimized the buildup.
Alignment looks good on line 3. Speeds are steady.
Confirmed. No collisions.
Pressure looks stable at 2.5 bar.
Good, let's keep monitoring the moisture sensors down the line.
The pressure drop looks stable at 4 kilopascals.
Good. The separation efficiency is optimal.
We have an anomaly on screen C. I'm making the adjustment now.
Confirmed. The separation seems optimal now.
The conditioning seems complete. Look at the uniformity.
Agreed. I'll make a note of the processing time.
The rotation speed looks optimal.
Yes, the color uniformity is exactly within spec. The run is clear. Confirmed, all parameters nominal.
The diverter gates just completed the cycle test.
Flawless execution. We are ready for full production.
Vibration levels are stable at 98 Hertz.
Noted. The texture uniformity is excellent.
The readings on panel 3 are stable now. All right, let's maintain this feed rate.
Location data confirms the assignment.
Acknowledged. The shuttle is already retracting.
Attention all units, the Sao Paulo shipment is confirmed for 1400 hours.
Copy that. Adjusting dock assignments now. Lane 4 is active.
Watch your spacing on the right.
Levelers engaged, all clear.
All trucks in lane 1, you are clear for departure. Maintain synchronized speed.
coming. You're clear on this side. Bay 27 secured. Engaging the leveler now.
The distribution center relies on these precise robotic systems, ensuring continuous operation and
Sequence initiated. All lanes clear for transfer.
We need to reroute the Mexico shipment to Dock 3 immediately. Copy that. Adjusting the flow.
Looks like they made good time today.
Yeah, grab the jack. Let's get started.
Seals look intact on these top 3.
Got it. Manifest updated for the onion powder.
Here is your receipt. Thank you.
A well-organized pantry is the foundation of a trusted kitchen.